This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
So blacklisting IPs, ISPs, and targets in Zeropark. So Zeropark allows you to block traffic coming in your campaigns by creating a blacklist on an account level. So you can block traffic based on the following criteria: IP address, ISP, and that stands for Internet Service Provider, and target. So once you provide correct values, traffic matching the criteria from the blacklist will not go into your campaigns. So, block traffic. In order to create a blacklist, we're going to have to perform the following steps. We're going to go to My Account, then we're going to go to Blacklist, and then here you see the IP blacklist, the Internet Service Provider blacklist, and the Target blacklist. Now you're going to have to provide the correct value of IP address, Internet Service Provider, and or a target that you want to block. So as you can see, I've added these targets to the block list. All you have to do is save it. You'll get a confirmation whether or not you want to block these current ones, and then you would just say okay, and then you are good to go. All right, and if you want to check for blocked targets, all you have to do is reserve. All right, so if you want to check for blocked targets, all you have to do is reserve it in the excluded status in the campaign details.